want to repair your DJI Mic 2 to the original receiver or simply link it back, here's the easy pairing tutorial. The first and easy way to repair the transmitters back to the receiver is by simply making sure that the receiver is connected to the charging case, then put back the transmitters into the case, and if they don't connect back, such as this one, what I need to do is close the case, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. As you can see here, now it's connected. But in case, if they don't connect back by themselves after putting them in the case, and even closing the lid, then your transmitters are probably in Bluetooth pairing mode, and this usually happens if you have used it with your smartphone. So, you need to get it back to transmitter pairing. For that, you'll simply need to long press on the recording button, then wait until the green light becomes solid and starts blinking again. Now it's back to transmitter mode, and you can just drop it on the case to connect it back. Do the same to the other one if needed. If this method didn't work either, then you have probably connected it to another receiver. And in that case, follow this step. Take out your receiver, swipe down, go to Receiver Settings, then go to the right and click Link Devices. Now take out your transmitters. Make sure the green light is blinking like this by holding down the link button. Do the same thing for the other receiver. And after that, click Link, then Confirm. There you go. They'll get linked instantly. Now you can put back the receiver into the case and also the transmitters. Now you're ready to roll. That's all. Hope this helped. Enjoy.